Welcome back. School is out and there are lots of things all of us have on our to-do list. Mixed in with your fun, make sure to check in with your health provider. Here to help is Baptist Health Dr. Jheanelle Dawkins. Dr. Dawkins, thank you so much for being here.
Always my pleasure.
So, why is it important for us to take a look at our checklist?
Right, so it's the summer, right? Everyone has a big to-do list, so we just want to make sure that we put certain things on your to-do list. So things like checking in with your doctor and getting a preventive visit done for the summer is always a good idea to get the baseline health status.
And you mentioned that we should also schedule our vision and dental exam. Why?
Yes, you want to make sure, right? You want to be proactive about your wellness. You don't want to be reactive. So you want to get a vision exam at least once a year and make sure that you're getting a dental exam at least every 6 months.
And how important is a preventative visit?
Very important. I always tell my patients, you want to know your baseline. You don't want to just simply come into the doctor when you're not feeling well. You want to be proactive about your wellness.
And a lot of us will be outside, so we need to stay hydrated and wear that sunscreen.
Exactly, especially in our southern heat, and make sure you're reapplying your SPF, at least your sunblock with SPF at least 30, and reapplying it every 2 hours, and drinking at least 8 cups of water a day.
And exercising daily at least 30 minutes.
Yes, it's a good time to start or continue exercising.
Also on your list that we need to check in with ourselves mentally.
Right. It's the middle of the year, Ryan. So, we're in June. You want to check in with yourself mentally where you're at. You also want to check in on your spiritual health you have to see yourself as more than just physical. So you want to check in with yourself mentally and spiritually and ensure that you take the steps to ensure that you're okay with that status of your health.
And how important is water safety? We know a lot of kids will be out.
Very, 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 very safe. Like, this is something that we need to give priority, especially during the summer months. Be careful about what color swimsuits you're putting your children in. That's something that we often, parents overlook during the summer months. Make sure that they have on their protective gear and limit or have no alcohol or drugs, whenever you're by the water.
And maybe even some swim lessons. We know how often, kids drown in pools as well.
Yes, sir.
All right, Dr. Dawkins, thank you so much for your time.
Always my pleasure.
Yes, ma'am.